Meaning of Eastertime.
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 Eastertime. Eastertime refers to the period around the Christian holiday of Easter, which commemorates the resurrection of Jesus Christ. It typically includes the 40-day period of Lent leading up to Easter Sunday, as well as Holy Week, which is the week leading up to Easter and includes events such as Maundy Thursday and Good Friday. Eastertime is a time of religious observance and celebration for many Christians around the world, and is often marked by special church services, family gatherings, and traditional foods like hot cross buns and Easter eggs.